Hello everybody, there has been some questions about whether or not people should file an amended return if they received the $10,200 unemployment tax deduction, or whether the IRS will do it automatically. There are going to be some cases where you would have to file an amended return. For example, I just e-filed my amended tax return today because that unemployment deduction now qualified me for new credits that I wasn't previously qualified for. And the IRS has stated that if that change in income qualifies you for new credits, they will not issue you a refund unless you amend your return. So you do have to amend your return if getting that deduction now qualifies you for new credits. If the unemployment deduction changes your income but doesn't change whether you qualify for credits or not, then you don't have to worry about doing anything. They will adjust your return amount and they'll issue a refund for the withholding on that $10,200, which will be roughly $1,000 or so. But for everybody else that had unemployment and prior to getting that tax deduction when they originally filed their return did not qualify for, say, earned income credit or additional child tax credit or whatever, if they didn't qualify for those because their unemployment income put them above the maximum allowable income level, but now that new deduction lowers their adjusted gross income to below that maximum allowable income level, they would now be qualified for those credits. They would have to file an amended tax return to the IRS, which leads to the timeline now. So the IRS will begin issuing refunds to the simplest tax returns that they can adjust automatically. In other words, those returns that they do not have to worry about credits on. They'll issue that withholding amount of roughly $1,000 to individuals that are single or filed head of household beginning in mid-May. Once those refunds are issued, those roughly $1,000 refunds are issued, they will then begin issuing the refunds to individuals who were married filing jointly. So if you had two spouses that were on unemployment and they both qualified for that $10,200 deduction, instead of $1,000, they'd be getting $2,000, roughly $1,000 from each one. And the way you come up with that $1,000 amount is when you file your unemployment, they take 10% for federal withholding. So if they're now reducing the amount of taxable income by $10,000, well, you're getting back 10% of that amount. So you're getting roughly a little over $1,000. Those that now qualify for credits will get a lot more money, but will have to file an amended return to get the refund on those credits. So amended returns take a lot longer, much longer than even a regular return. So we all know that many people have been waiting months for tax refunds from just their regular return. You can pretty much guarantee the amended returns are going to take months as well. The IRS is giving a time frame of approximately 16 weeks for amended returns to be processed, and they do not offer direct deposit. They mail a check. So you're looking at a 4 to 5 month waiting period to see any money at all if you had unemployment and now qualify for new credits. I mean, it could take less time. I mean, they say up to 6 weeks, but it's the IRS, so we always have to assume the worst case scenario. I hope this answers some of your questions in regards to amending a return with unemployment on it. Please make sure you like and subscribe. Hey, let me know in the comments down below. Did you file an amendment for your return? How long did it take? Come back and let us know if you got something quicker. We'd love to hear from you. Have a great week, everybody.